Oh, something went wrong. Get my hair done first, and then I'm gonna go do my makeup last, so that way I can just put on my dress and accessories. But I'm gonna do my mama makeup, and then we're gonna be up out of here. I'm so excited. When I do my makeup, I think I'm gonna record it on here. I'm gonna see how this gonna go. On our way, I am so late. I'm like, the event is over with as far as my booth at JCap Beauty. I'm supposed to do a meet and greet, but I'm still gonna go, and then I'm still gonna be there to actually meet the light. But I'm still going to go there so that I can meet you all. So yeah. Oh, this is my fit. So simple. Well, it's still be cute for me, but I'm not walking purpose, so I'm not gonna go move. I just wanna go meet people. We headed to the event, y'all, right now. Hey, where he going? BeautyCon. Wait, that's him? You watching that's him right here. We here, y'all.
Sarebbe stato molto più difficile.
Somebody, they was deep looking for you. Y'all twins? No. Y'all look just alike.
You are gorgeous. I love you. You're really so pretty. She got the iced out. Hey, baby.
Hold on, look. Huh?
She had.
Thank you, girl. Are you vlogging? Yeah. Well, I guess. I'm trying out this thing. You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You're like one of my favorite YouTubers. Like, honestly.
Oh,
I used to do YouTube.
Okay, Mom. Wait, hold on. Are you supposed to? Where is supposed to come? I don't even know. I don't even see it. So do you know where? You see Hula? If you see Hula, she said it's about the Hula sign. She said it's coming out. Huh? No, I don't know. Hey, girl. Yeah.
Your makeup is fall.
Thank you. I tried today, girl. I was rushing. Thank you.
Followers, definitely we give out free stuff.
Oh, really?
Free fillers, free top, just letting you know. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, definitely. I would.
Like how many amounts that you looking for?
So, how much do you have? Yeah, you're good.
The flash? I'll be watching y'all.
I don't want to get makeup on your hair. I don't want to get makeup on your outfit.
I'll be watching YouTube videos. I don't mind.
You gotta take a selfie.
It's cute. Ooh.
Yeah. You want me to send it to you? I can.
Yeah. Y'all, we is on. Look, I'm
Beautiful, right?
No, for real.
I know, right?
No, you have to go. It's really good. Oh, so cute. Sorry.
not looking for me. I'm right here, baby.
Look at camera focus. Cause she is bomb. Look at who I'm finally meeting, you guys.
Wait, the second one.
Guys, I love that. I love that. Oh, fierce. Hold on, come here. Oh, yes, honey. Ooh. I love it.
Me too. I do too. Baby, hold on, wait, look at it.
Wow. Fierce. Oh my goodness. Can you tag it, please?
Yeah.
Just asking them girls, like, what the fuck is J Cat? Because I have to run into
Yeah, look,
her.
it's over there. It's right there. Right. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Okay, girl. You look cute. You look cute. Oh my God, a Barbie box, y'all. Don't say nothing if you're me.
I didn't want to be rude.
That's okay.
I'm being rude. That's what you do.
BeautyCon is going so good, y'all. Like, I'm at mostly all of my followers. My dad
It's only here.
What they think?
Girl, I didn't look.
Hey!
What's up, Dale? This the original Dale. Back again. Back again. Back again.
Close. Okay, bitch. Okay, you showing out this time, bitch.
Here.
Period.
Double stab.
Okay.
Period.
Ooh, it's lit. Ooh, look at that. On the camera, it's
Nailed by Cleo.
Oh, no. Y'all did it?
No, nailed by Cleo. We go to a girl in our city named Cleo.
Mama,
We love y'all. Heck yeah.
Hello. My down.
I'm trying to see some more downs, y'all. I'm trying to be back. We got a salad pass. I'm trying to go back there. I'm ready. Salad.
Mama Dow gonna be finding somewhere to eat.
Okay, because I'm hungry too.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Let me take a picture. This is cute.
Yes. Motherfucking demon breed. We had BeautyCon Atlanta.
Yes,
We had BeautyCon Atlanta.
Yes. Right when we came in. Hi.
What is your name?
Me, Marie.
Yes.
Yeah. Look,
I used to work at Cheesecake Factory, and this girl, she told me about you, and I went to go watch your makeup videos. Yes. Cameron Lester, Cameron with a K.
Thank you so much.
I want to give you so much advice. Because
Let me know.
I want to like get you at the top.
Yeah, just some. Nobody. I know. Okay. Okay.
Trust me, I got you.
Okay.
There's a
I'm down to go. We're ready. Hey guys, chilling backstage. We are leaving BeautyCon. Oh my goodness. Go to this event or something. Look, listen, I just want to go to a club that be wild and turn. I don't even care no more. But we got this Patron, y'all. So we drinking this slowly. Well, no, it's almost gone. Shoot. Me and my cousin been drinking it. We're about to go to this event. I don't know what event it is, but we about to go and I'm excited. Another one. Another one. Let me get another one. Oh no. Oh, hold on, let me drink that. I'm gonna drink the rest of it.
Y'all be not right.
Yes, no problem, yes.
What's up, vlogger?
Yes, You know you bad. Oh, baddie.
Oh, important people. Oh, thank God it didn't give out crack.
I know, right? Yep. Look, I got a screen protector on it though. And this vlog for today with Tiffany.
Hey.
Y'all, yes.
My favorite gal right
Hey. So y'all, we about to she about to take us home. So this is day number 2. He trying to take a picture on the carpet. So yeah, I'm trying to go get this fabric. I mean this what's it called? And they close to 6. The place on close to 6.
That's about the
let me show you. This is what I was talking about. Look, they had one yesterday.
Oh, the big flowers.
That's too. But I like the panels too, just for now. But they have party stuff for the kids, everything.
Yeah, like so now
Like,
this is the
dang,
party district.
Yeah, look at the candy. Oh, look at the art balloon art. Y'all, this backdrop is nice. What's that? Yes, this is what I want.
Much
That's small. The small ones are $8.75. The big ones are $15. I don't need the big ones. I
The small ones, instead of 3 or 11.
my background for me. Yeah, I'm gonna get them then. I got you. Mine's like this, but it has white tips on them, so it makes my room a little brighter. Yeah, as dark as right. Oh, that's so nice.
Where you see this panel?
Yeah, they over there, but they don't have. They not multicolored like this. So
They not long.
they not multicolored.
Like, get that perfume style. You can smell it. See, that's what you want to do.
Lola Schulte. Yeah. Thank you. I want everybody leaving now. What?